Okay, it is 9:45 on Sunday, Easter Sunday, and it's gonna go into the oven.
More cute.
Bottom.
Yes.
Voila, it's ready.
Okay.
Lamb and potato.
We need to know before.
Orazio.
We need to know before serving how the lamb
we
will
have to-
taste.
Yeah, how
Go ahead.
does it taste?
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead, taste.
Let us know.
Don't like. I don't like. No, it's very good.
Delizia.
It's good.
Loredana, she made all this. Ah.
Ora poi ti faccio chiamare.
Now I'm going to
Hai
prepare.
saputo di dispensa?
This is going to go, the lamb is going to go in here.
Abbiamo saputo
And I'm
da-
going to cut up the
siamo
onions.
volte.
And some potatoes. Then it's going to go in the oven in a red day.
Ma io penso 8-80.
So, of course, the lamb is sitting right here. We've went through it. Just smells fantastic. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up these onions, peel them a little bit, and oh, look at all these fresh tomatoes. And then I got to peel all these potatoes because they're going to. This lamb is going to go in this big pot, and we're going to add potatoes, small tomatoes, pomodoro, small, potato, and onions. Oh, the color comes through so nice. Just look at the color of those things. And they're going to go in whole. But for now, I'm just putting them onto the lamb like this so that we can dress it properly. Onions are peeled, they're ready to go. They look marvelous. And now I'm starting to peel the potatoes. I'm the peeler man. I'm Loredana's peeler man.
Sì, spiro. Ora ti aiuto anch'io.
You want me to put the potatoes in there or what?
Mettili qua però.
Oh, the garbage?
Poi li
I have it in-
Garbage here. Lì.
Okay. You've blessed everything, yes?
Now we have almost all the ingredients. We start with the lamb inside the pan.
And you want to
Give a good
you
mix.
want to,
Lo
Give a
devi
good
gocci-
mix.
I go mix in here and then you wash?
Yeah.
No wash.
No wash.
No wash.
No.
No,
Yeah.
just put in here like this.
Lo devi
Yeah.
gocciolare, sennò fa troppa acqua.
All, one piece at a time or the whole thing?
Just drop the water. So
Or drop the water? Ah.
No.
Okay, so then we just load her up. Ah, perfect. Okay.
come?
We're gonna have a note
Perfect.
on one piece of lamb. Martin, this is your piece. That's it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, now those potatoes you can put. So now we're cutting up the potatoes and putting them in. Yes. Okay. Now what goes on next? The onions.
Poi mettiamo sì.
Okay. So
onion.
now we'll do the potatoes and then we'll get right back to you. Ciao. Okay, Loredana. Potatoes are cut, right?
Yes.
And
Poi
on?
verrà mescolato
Ah.
tutto.
So it covers the whole lamb, no?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ah.
No, ti pare che a te resta così ora poi verrà
Oh, now we cut.
mescolato.
Oh, you want these cut more?
Yes.
I asked you before, Loredana. Do we cut?
Cos'è che ha
You
detto?
should know. I
Non ho detto
don't
prima.
think so.
E io non l'ho
Look.
capito.
Yeah. A red pepper, yes? Oh, man. Red pepper. Now.
No, aspetta.
Oh, this is
Erba e cipollina.
herbs?
Cipollina.
Cipollina.
Erba.
You have to mix. No.
Now you have to mix it all up?
Yes.
By hand?
Yes.
Con le mani.
E come coi piedi, con
Sì.
le mani.
Okay, do I leave, Loredana, do I leave the lamb at the bottom or mix?
Mix.
Lamb and everything?
Yeah.
Sì, sì.
Totally. Total. Wow. Okay. So I'm taking the lamb.
Se no non si insaporisce,
The,
no?
the picture.
Yeah, it's on. Yes.
The mixing is a very important.
Yeah, that's what it's
phase.
on. Yes. Yes.
Questa è la parte più importante.
That's a very important phase.
This is the important part. And
Certo, si devono amalgamare i
Loredana does
sapori.
not touch.
Does not touch.
No.
I used to do that.
Yeah.
Sai che
And
ci
Orazio used to do it, but he can't.
Un po' di
He's
rosemary.
he's sort of retired now. Oh, look. More pears? Should I cut? Or are you going to cut?
Tu devi tagliare
Give
una
me some
mela.
more. And an apple. Okay, perfect. Then we put in brandy and wine.
E white wine.
White wine and brandy.
Sì.
Oh, that's gonna be good. The last thing that goes in for the fruit is the kiwi. She's always standing up. She can't sit.
Non
The
so
belly,
No, she's not used to
the belly and the breast.
Io non so cucinare.
Yeah. So, because of the camera angle, I want everybody to see what we're doing. But when Loredana stands, I can't see her beautiful face. Okay, Loredana, you have to sit because I can't see.
Please.
That's okay. Now, look, what is the brandy?
Carlos Primero.
Look. Oh.
Jerez de la Frontera. Spanish.
So the last of the fruit goes. That's a Spanish brandy, yes.
Sì, ora prendo the white wine.
Now you get the white wine. Oh, look at this. It looks.
Aspetta,
oh,
zucchero, no?
In silenzio poi quello.
Sit.
Sì. Ok.
Okay. Now in goes the wine. So maybe just a cup of wine.
A cup of wine.
Ok.
So you put wine first, number one. Oh, you don't need much, right?
Oh.
And then in goes the brandy, no?
Yes.
Oh, a little bit of brandy.
And you look, wasting my brandy.
Oh, I'm thinking. Oh yes, yeah, and mix.
Mix.
But don't screw with Loredana's recipes. No, that your recipe stays.
Sì, ma tu smell.
Oh, you smell. Come. Oh, Loredana. Smells amazing. If Maurizio comes over here, we'll let him taste. Maurizio,
No,
you gotta
no,
come
I
in the
don't
camera.
want to taste,
No, no taste.
No, no.
Not now.
Taste you.
Perfect.
Taste you.
This is done, and now we cover.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the antipasto, the appetizer. Yes.
Sì.
See. And okay. Good idea. What's the first one? This one is.
Asparagus.
That's asparagus. Oh,
Due giovani. Good.
Number one. Oh, nice. Oh, that's gonna be very
Number
good.
one.
That's number one. And so after we bake the
Ognuno se lo
in
prepara
small pieces,
Ognuno
and
se
this
lo
is what you
prepara.
take and put on top.
Ognuno se lo prepara come vuole. Siamo liberi. Poi abbiamo
Before the meal. That's what it means. Antipasto. Antipasto. Oh, I learned something today. You're always
You should know those things
I know
because
you
you have to tell on the
Yeah,
video
well, of
to your
course.
Canadian people,
Yeah, or the world.
to the world,
It's gonna
right?
go on YouTube. We have to tell the world. This is how you do it in Sicilia. Yeah, summer. This is summer we did.
Yes.
Before we went to Thailand, Maurizio.
Sì.
Then you froze, and
Yeah.
yesterday we put
Sì.
together. Yes.
Yeah.
Loredana will not sit, so I have to sort of bend down.
You won't sit because she wants
She
everybody
doesn't-
to.
yeah, she.
Che cosa, ragazzi?
It's hard when you're cooking. I know, but I want them to see everything nice
È
and close.
giusto.
If we do it over there, it's too far away.
Ok.
So this is
Ma
perfect.
non sono abituato.
In order for you to be
Mi fai
in the
ordinare
movies,
le olive
in the
d'olio che
movies,
ci manca?
you have to follow the director.
Oh yes.
Yes. Okay. No problem.
Director, the big chef.
Yes, the director of the most important chef on
No,
Mount Etna.
no.
A cook, beautiful cook, beautiful.
No chef,
Not only is she a beautiful face.
Che manca? Sale?
She has a beautiful soul. Her soul, beautiful soul. Your soul, beautiful.
Olio,
Uh-huh.
un po' di aceto.
Piacete? Ok.
Anybody that can work with me has to have a beautiful soul, no?
Io cucino come una mamma.
Oven is going on at 180 Celsius.
180 Celsius for a couple hours.
Allora, abbiamo messo a 200. 200.
Oh, 200. She put at 200.
Oh, 200.
Sì, ventilato.
To start.
Poi lo diminuisco.
Ah, okay.
1 hour e poi
And then we
lo
change.
copriamo.
Yeah, then we cover. Yes. Wow, Orazio.
I was coming.
Oh, perfect. Of the lamb, please. Oh my goodness, is that looking good?